The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specifically mention Meyers Hubs. However, NEC Article 250.90 for 1999 requires that grounding electrodes be listed for the use intended. It is important to differentiate between listed and approved. Listed refers to equipment, material, or assembly that has been evaluated and found to comply with specific requirements, as determined by a nationally recognized testing laboratory or NOTL. Approved, on the other hand, means accepted by an authority having jurisdiction, or UJ, as acceptable for use under specific conditions. The NEC uses the term listed to refer to equipment and materials that have been evaluated and found to meet specific safety standards. The term approved is typically used by AHJ to indicate that they have specifically accepted a particular product for use within their jurisdiction. Some AHJ may interpret the use of the word approved in NEC 250.90 for 1999 as meaning that Meyers Hubs require specific approval from the AHJ before they can be used. However, Meyers Hubs are typically listed for use as grounding electrodes by NOTLs. Therefore, they should be considered acceptable for use under NEC 250.90 for 1999 if they are listed for the intended application. To avoid any potential issues with AHJ, it is recommended to follow these best practices. Firstly, use Meyers Hubs that are specifically listed for use as grounding electrodes by NRTLs. Secondly, check with the local AHJ to confirm that they accept Meyers Hubs as listed grounding electrodes. And thirdly, document the use of Meyers Hubs and their listing status in the electrical design documents. In conclusion, Meyers Hubs are typically listed for use as grounding electrodes and should be considered acceptable for use under NEC 250.90 for 1999. However, it is always advisable to consult with the local AHJ to confirm their specific requirements. By following best practices, engineers and contractors can ensure compliance with the NEC and avoid any potential disputes with AHJ.